Alright boys, we're at the last step. Well, last two steps actually. After countless hours of post-processing the parts we had printed, now it's time to paint the blade and finally put the sword together. So here's the plan. I'm gonna put the handguard and the blade together, one piece, then weld it. Hold on one sec. Like dude, we just spent like 8 hours polishing this damn thing, and now we're gonna spoil it with the weld. Calm down bro, calm down. If you look at the sword design from the anime, I'm not really sure if you could see it though, but if you really notice this part, the connector between the blade and the handguard, it looks like the light blue color extends from the blade all the way to the handguard, which would then be bordered by the vines. So I think it would be okay if we actually cause a little bit of mess in this area, because hey, we're gonna paint it anyway and it's not gonna be transparent, so no problem. Alright boys, so I just got the blade and the handguard welded on together, and I've also like sanded it quite a little bit just to keep it nice and clean. Now we're just gonna mask the handguard with some masking tape so we don't ruin this finish we worked so hard on. Then we can finally go outside and start painting. Alright, I'm outside right now. It's a little bit cloudy, it's probably gonna rain soon. Let's just end this quickly. Okay, so the blade is finally dried, and now it's time we glue everything together. To keep the assembly nice and clean, I'm gonna go with the usual epoxy glue. Yo bro, I'm so excited. You guys might want to stay with me on this one. I promise you, this is gonna be very satisfying.